Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will be explaining how to use Canva from your mobile. So here is the Canva mobile application. I'm using an Android phone, but it is available on both Android and iOS store. So let's explore the application. Here is the main page, which contains the templates. As you can see, all the templates are here. Here is the designs. If you have created designs using Canva before, it will be here. And here is your account settings if you want to upgrade to Canva Pro or send feedback, rewards, manage your team, whatever you want, okay? So let's create a social media story, Instagram story, for example. Let's choose one, see all. Let's, for example, choose this one and press edit. Okay, so here is the dashboard on your mobile. From this button, you can add text, image, video, sticker, illustration, or template, logo, or page. Okay. From this button, you can create another page, and from here, you can download your template after you edit it. So let's say that we want to use this template in order to create our design. So I will be editing this photo. Just click on the photo and choose one from your gallery, or these are the images if you want to choose image from Canva. But I have already the photos in the gallery, so I will choose this one right away like that, and I will choose this one here, and I can even edit the text, like for example, sports gloves, and I can edit the size like that, and also the color if I want to edit the color like that. It is very simple. You can use Canva from your mobile if you don't have your PC. Maybe you are out anywhere with your friends in a restaurant, in a coffee shop. So you don't have to wait until you go home and turn on your PC, then use Canva. You can use it from your mobile right away. Now we have finished our design. Just say save, and you can download it, save as image, and even you can share it on your Facebook account or Facebook page right away. But I will share it like on WhatsApp for one of my friends. Thank you very much for watching.